Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G11 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store application to get the Ampere app, and here on the search pool enter Ampere. Now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of minutes. After that, we should open the application and click yes, I agree. Then just pick here to close and tap on the left down corner to OK. After that, we can see here the information with our device battery temperature. In my case, that's 32 degrees. Also here we can find more information like the battery level, capacity, voltage, device model, Android version, and more information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.